Hello viewers, today for an initial checkout we have a VTech connect to cell cordless phone. This is a DECT 6, sorry about that. So this is a DECT 6.0 with connect to cell. This is the model number, focus camera. Well, let me turn on the flash so that way you can see it. This is the model number DS6621-2. Yes, that's correct. This is a 2-handset model according to the box, which I have under my bed. Here we go. But sadly, I did not get 2 handsets since I only found this at the Salvation Army. Along with the CS5129, which I'll be doing an initial checkout video on that soon. Okay, so we're not going to be doing the ringtones because I have already done that. So just go check out the dedicated ringtones video on it. Let's go ahead and page it. I also cannot just demonstrate connect to cell because I'm actually using my cell phone film.
It's gonna be one of those where I take forever to load.
And you could just press any button and this has the new voice.
You have no message.
Let's go ahead and call it up with the good old-fashioned Poly VVX310.
What the heck is YouTube?
Or that's just what I call it. It's actually a Polycom. Let's go ahead and pick up. Alright, we're gonna check the microphone on it. So first up, we're gonna check the microphone on it. Let's put the speaker right here on the handset for the VVX310. Check. Checking out the microphone on the VTech DS6621-2 handset. So thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, now let's check the earpiece. Check. Checking out the earpiece on the VTech DS6621 handset. It sounds good, so thank you. Now let's switch over to speaker. Full duplex speakerphone.
Alright, now check.
Check.
Checking out the speakerphone on the VTech DS6621. It sounds good. Thank you.
I'm gonna run in the wrong direction.
Okay, so we've done that. Now let's go through the answering so we can play our messages from the handset. Why does it say not available? That's weird. There we go.
You have no message.
So yeah, you can check your answering machine from this. If you go to answering system, you can go to announcement, which I'll play the default one.
To play, press 2. To record, press 7. Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
I'll use the default one. Alright, now let's go ahead and record a memo.
Record after the tone. Press 5 when you are done.
This is a test memo message for the VTech DS6621. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The thank you.
Recorded.
And now it's been successfully recorded, so let's just play that back.
You have 1 new message. Monday, 12:40 p.m.
This is a test memo message for the VTech DS6621. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, thank you.
Message deleted. End of messages.
What's up?
It may have not sound too good. It's probably because my mouth was too close to the microphone. But it'll. Now let's go ahead, call it up, and leave a message
Calls will be answered.
with my trusty VVX310 again.
Oh my stupid screen. Yummy dummy.
This is a test message for the VTech DS6621 answering machine. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. The thank you.
Yummy dummy.
Alright, should release the line by now.
Dummy 50.
Alright, now it's released the line.
You have one new message. Monday, 12:41 p.m.
This is a test message for the VTech DS6621 answering machine.
Touch it 2 times and it instantly.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So thank you.
Message deleted. End of messages.
Alright, now let's go ahead and make an outside call. I'm gonna put the 203 area code because I have the Farmer Jones cold line using the added to my entries. Let me go ahead and look for it. Let me check. Okay, 203-929-8425. Alright, now let's go ahead and call it.
Hello, Farmer Jones here in the snowy Christmas tree fields with the update for Monday and Tuesday Christmas Eve. The Harvest Your Own and Fresh Cut trees will be available both days. And we have a beautiful crop of all the varieties, the Colorado Blues, Firs, and the Ancient White Pine. And we are open on Monday full day, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Be here by 4 to harvest your own.
Alrighty. Well, that's it for this initial checkout. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.